Kanye mic 2, 3 and 4. Well done. So ni de na challenge yako todo dikoragwo miaka 3. Na Devi harene wa cameraman wito na wewe na ciuria na ni ngacokia. Challenge yako irathi atiriri. Wewe magienire na mic ndũthondeka mic ĩno. Ndigathukie. Kare ka hode simple. Nĩrũgamagia. Challenge yako irathi atiriri. Ciuria ta 10. Rĩu ciuria icio ciorio ri tondu ni ngwika ni mukunyita muri andu ogi ni challenge ikoretwo igikika ndiramionire ona o guku ndingiraga kuingi no ndirare na mweke wa guikara na thimu cia na TikTok ti challenge njeru no riu ni njeru tondu tutire twomika na ni gukorwo ikidescribe andu aria me haha no gicabanio kia muthemba riu Devi anjuria ciuria riu ni ngakika te inyu murore mbere murore mashabiki
sawa
murore kamera kanua haha Kandi na ndirahuthira mic. Ona ndo ramehuthira no uri urahuthira mic mwakiri mic 3.
Daudi. Ne jakanu.
Monitor neno.
Ni murajigwa.
Fio munene.
Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Teacher. The camera seeing all of us. You stay zooming all of them, zooming all of them, zooming all of them. Ekele hapa mjione. Wako na stress.
Sikupeleka kina.
Ya.
Mada omaga hivi.
Murani ndio ya gotheka kana gukana. Mugokoro mukirete uguo.
Riu rio ni ndiroria ciuria.
Devi no arajoria ciuria na ni ngatwarana ngacokia ciuria. Bubu once na kumuorota. Ni mukunyona hau kane. Ara kama mutangiarora nigetha ndimucambie. Na ndigucokerwa.
Okay.
Tondu ciuria no iria mundu no acokere na ciuria ciake.
Hana mundu roria ako wapi Dibull.
Ndio huyo.
Hi, hello.
For the people. Lady. Shika Stacy uko na simu yako? Tuwezi taka tuende offline.
Ate wa gatoto unafanya nini? Maundu maya ni ku introduce ndira introduce mutikadure na marakara.
Ngerera phone miake negetha mukamuigua.
Akiona yeye muico munene.
Ari ukandoreria microphone ngigweta aria mena mekiria ningumona.
Kiuria kia mbere.
Yes. Uko.
Who is the friendliest colleague?
Again?
Who is no murata muno?
No we guthondeka urata.
Ni?
Who is the friendliest? Aka ni athomu.
Athomu.
Utire mundu yo ndai nutari muthomu heta cokera ringi.
Who is the friendliest colleague? Tacokera. Ni muona. Who is the most talkative colleague? Atedi uliko. Aya. Nijagiro ni kwira muthikiriria uria.
Ni marona.
Ara
matare one yao.
Ndio anashangaa kwa nini kwa nyuma hivyo.
Wacheni basi kujiangalia ndio mconcentrate.
Okay.
Tokeni. Toka offline.
Hii hata ifanye.
Mimi naona pale. We start.
Aya. Kiuria gya gatatu. Who takes the longest to get ready for work? Nite ngwiciriirie na ucio. Who is the most likely to snitch on their colleague? Oi. No morona. Who is the most likely to volunteer for charity event? Aya. Oh. Okay. Oi, giki kingi ndiramenya no. Who is the most likely to get into scandals? Hey. Niasio. Who is the most Who is the most money or conscious colleague? Atire. Oh. Sieri. Who is the most talented colleague? Oh. Okay. Who is the most mature? Okay. Who is the most immature? Who eats the most? Who has the messiest car? Messiest. Messiest.
Who is the messiest colleague?
Kai kuri motaraga handu.
Very messy.
Messy. Who is the most creative? Ai, ucio ndaraga handu. Who is the most competitive? Aya. Who is the most likely to move across the country than the other colleagues? Oh yeah, definitely. Hey, who is childish? Who is the favorite to all? Oh, ati mugani? Aya, siathira.
Tukumenya atia. Tukumenya atia. Turamenya atia haguthekera.
Asa, kiria batiko niya ngoigua ati mutwa mucoto kigamba. He mundu uramenya he handu ahutio. He mundu uraguess. Uraguess ahutio ku.
The colleague who is likely to move around the country.
No.
Ora sira wahutirio ku.
Hau akuria.
Ora sira wahutirio ku.
Her favorite.
Ora sira wahutirio ku.
Rahutio, who is most likely to travel around the country?
Okay, that's one.
No toria haria mundu ucio nge aigua tahutio
Aya.
ni ukanjuria tebu
Ni acha ucokere ukari we ucokie ciuria icio.
Joki riu? Ah, nice.
Acha ria. Ni torore mbere. Ena mwago.
Kareke mwaje.
Nĩ tũkũrĩhwo. Nĩ mũraiga atĩa?
Gathemba kuisha. Kareke gwathi. Kaidoro twa.
Rora mbere.
Gathemba nginya nĩ aroigĩrwo mbu. Aya, the first question. Who is the friendliest colleague? Definitely. Who is the most talkative colleague? Who takes long to get ready for work? Guys.
Mũriũ wake.
Who is the most likely to snitch on their colleague? Hey. Who is
Usinichi neke.
Nĩ gũcambia.
Gũcambia.
Ndũngĩiga thiri.
Who's mostly likely to volunteer for charity event? Oh, okay. Who is the most talented colleague? Wote.
Tiga gũtũraga. KCSE.
Who is the most mature? Hey. Who is the most immature? Who eats the most?
Angalia mbele.
Ndaro hapena ndari gwathiriri. Ndaro maitho ma Devi.
Immature. Who eats the most? Who has the messiest car? Hey. Who is the most creative? Okay. Who's more likely to move across the country than the other colleagues? Yeah. Who is childish? Who is a favorite to all? Siadira.
Kufai. Gai. No watu weja. Kaka ndeke gandu matiranoga. Na tutire na biru no kabagara.
Nyora ndio kindu ndirona.
Ikara mbere ndubati kurora no rute matu.
Nyambiririe na thutha.
Gako monitor live yake.
Who is a favorite to all? Oh. Who is childish? Who is most likely to move across the country than other colleagues? Most competitive? Most creative? Who has the messiest car? Who eats the most? Hey. Who is the most immature?
Immature.
Hey. Who is the most mature?
Immature ni ulimo. Nuri ulimo.
Who is the most talented colleague? Okay. Who is the most likely to get into scandals? Hey. Who is the most likely to go volunteer for charity event? Hey. Who is the most likely to snitch on their colleagues?
Kubaida kama nyago snitch.
Koraria iyo ile ongeshiririo. Itokire.
No tekaga ihinda iraihu muno kwihariria wira. Most talkative? Mwaria muno. Okay. Uria thondekaga arata muno ni uriku? Siadira.
Kukuta kwaregera ha. Nyago shabu kunye imachua. Stacy newe. Hizi vitu tutaziona kwa TikTok.
Ugana kuziangalilia baadaye. Nye idare rege moja tekeria kionena haha. I'm afraid.
Ando baroja tekinya the most boring. Tutiroria icio.
Gathemba mbu icio gutwara ku?
Wata mbu. Ando marande kore moe colleague. Riu matohe ciuria tuguciuria hau. Songa karibu.
Stacy. Aya. Who is the friendliest colleague? Hey. Who is the most talkative colleague?
Okay.
Who takes the longest to get ready for work? Who is the most likely to snitch on their colleague? Chagura. Who can volunteer for charity event?
Rona maitho maku.
Who is the most likely to get into scandals? Who is the most talented colleague? Most mature? Immature? Who eats the most?
Who
Who has the messiest car? Ndogakuo. Most creative. Most competitive. Who is likely to move across the country than other colleagues? Who is childish? Who is favorite to all? Okay. Siadira. Gathemba.
Amukani ni mimi sasa. Toka ona tiga kwehera ikara haha. Tiga ikwehera. Ekogera haha. Moko njete. Este matagane ni chaundi.
Takiugete kona.
Eres mi people Kenya. Karaya. Abiazuro isionade. Nulejo ya bienade.
Aya.
Concentrate.
Gathemba ndogekire.
6.5. Hata heri kuliko kudance. Thank you for supporting my challenge.
Concentrate.
Hakuna concentrate. Alafu utauliza maswali zenye ziko hapo za nini za mafans. Sasa tunajibizana. After Gathemba though.
Yeah.
Favorite to all ni nani? Childish. Most likely to move across the country than others. Most competitive. Most creative. Messiest car.
Lo que se llama messiest.
Aya, turie. No gari theru muno.
Okay, and the cleanest.
Cleanest car. Eat the most. Maheni. Dariaga.
Oreaga kiro horugi.
Acha niwe ukioreaga ni ejo.
Number 2. Most mature. Immature. Talented colleague. Money conscious colleague.
Money conscious ne?
Mundu huthagira mbia wega.
Wega.
Atekwananga.
Mundu tanangaga mbia.
Ekotanga ungeginya kwananga.
Mundu tanangaga njukiri ikiu mbere. Oh. Okay. Na uria wanangaga. Who is likely to get into scandals?
You asking.
Did how? No, get your charity events. Snitch on others. Who takes longest to get ready for work? Oh.
Unakubaliwa kusema mimi.
Ama kujipoint mwenyewe.
Most talkative colleague. Friendliest. Okay, isiathira.
Odiashi ya mashabiki.
Mashabiki tumai cianyu.
Yagoro an.
Ni maroria.
Maroria. Ate innocent. No innocent.
Ni nyugo de murasho ki mundu uri oi.
Mundu uri innocent. Ora wewe ni innocent.
Stacy nakupenda sana.
Hiyo itusaidie. Sio swali.
Sisi tunampenda.
Good job Stacy. Wait a minute. Niki Stacy harata Natutigane ina ndeto ici.
Mimi ni truthful woman.
Ati ukweli usemwe.
Ati best drunkard.
Ati no genuine muno. Ucio gutiri undu atangikwira.
No ihinde rimwe.
Ndirarora kana hena mundu urenda kumenya
gutucambi ono cio no gicabanio nitorie ni amacambanagia muno
ni mwakiyona inyuothe
ni amarumanaga muno ni amwaka uyu mahigukite kiongo.
Worst dancer.
Best dancer.
Aya.
Mastingo.
Another menye iko.
Most drunkard.
Best drunkard.
Most.
Modo nywana daleo.
Almost.
Bully. Bully.
Bully.
Guy.
Wanna do bully.
Most handsome.
Our own.
Ati nani anapiganga sherehe sana?
Modo wa manyata.
Anajipoint.
No shabanagia muno. Mende kuria. Ora wari.
Leo. Yano. Esabaniyo gya gataka.
Ati
Regejoy akamoisho. Mudu. The most forgotten at work. Fogo gaucho.
Bwana alipoint.
ni majeta.
Forgotten.
Oi Gathemba. Araiguirwo the genuine yo ni tokuritie. Most caring.
I care for baby tea.
Who is the most hot-tempered?
Okay. Ati best munono.
Best munono. Nepoli. Otire.
Most romantic.
We have not romanced. But we guess, we think. But we think, we think.
Cry easily.
Cry baby.
Oh,
Truthful girl. Truthful girl.
Garone lele.
Most prayerful. Nyabiaga fasting.
Ella ni atuhuraga rutura ni atuhoya. Ni kuhoera mara. Kuhoera de mara ke kuire muakoyu. Kuhoya kai muno we.
Geke ndikuria.
Oria.
Risk taker no tikio ngorega kuria.
Oria kiu. Oria onakorwo ni njangiri oria.
Mundu hikanitie muno.
Asa kuikania muno ni.
Ni ciana nyingi.
Optimistic.
Mundu ena ciana nyingi no nginya kwa optimistic.
Mwenye anapenda kucheka sana. Most fashionable. Encourager. Careless.
We have two.
Courageous.
Courageous.
Nisia nego thie.
ũrathi kuona results. Kanjogu. Happy New Year, Njogu Wachira.
Happy New Year, Gladys.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
Fantastic and fabulous.
Karibu, and good to see you this new year, looking amazing.
Very, very well. Inema tutionanite mwaka uyu.
Tutionanite mwaka uyu.
Tugironanire Wednesday no ndwakire kibibiri.
Ndari kuria kibiribiri. Nikuo ndari.
Riu tutiakionanire ko nire tuonanire ya mbere mwaka uyu.
Oh yeah. Imagine on the 9th.
Wa 2023.
Riu angikorwo we ni uthoma mohoro every day, almost 4 days or 5 days in a week.
Yes.
Na ndakuora mweri kenda. Nyare ni ngamuona mid August. Mikorere yako itagwo amansaimo acio ni next year. In fact last year dinona mansaimo at all.
Kana mukona na muthombo ceni-ini wa December.
Ndĩreciria tũgacokanwo nake. We have divorced maybe 2027 with the new government. But we love
hau muno
tugacokeria Ngai ngatho. But honestly I think dinona mansaimo last year. Yeah.
Yothe.
Devi. Yeah.
No
thimo. Asha tutinonana. Tiga Batuana atwetete handu na Jackie wa wariri agitugurira ka Samsung.
Ai ngire boss botona ntakirega kata. Ona kata kumuona ugo wana
ona. Kata ni atukorire tukihurwo mbica kuri iguru. Last year ga June. Mbica ile twahuragwo kuria tukiina cia podcast anga podcast. Ndiukora cia twarirwo.
Mukone waheire.
Good mukwaga ne waire. Good to see you, karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Nĩnjũĩ maumĩrĩra maigeranio nĩ maumire na nĩ ũkwenda gũtemenga 1 2 3 na nĩ macererwo nĩ tũramatindĩkĩte mũno. Ndĩreciria rĩu tũrathi tũtirũkĩte. Aikorwo mauma mweri kenda macio mangĩ ndĩragĩciria acio angĩ magakĩrutwo mweri 56 March, but we just want seriousness.
No
tutire hau mothe turenda free things freelancing.
Yes.
Na twina birthday boy hau Dibull.
Yes.
Ukimwira kaundu
ndi mwiri happy birthday.
Nioke ha mufomu-ini nigetha ucoke uke urio challenge. Enako. Ha nĩ hega haia na ite iria cia riko.
Mundu raigua ta uhuru park.
We digithia.
Happy birthday Dibull.
Thank you so much.
Very well. Ngakwendithiria ugima mwega wa mwiri na miaka mingi na gwikorwo na favor ya Ngai maundu-ini maria mothe gwikuruhania namo.
Amen.
Maria mothe magiriru. Maria magiriru.
Ti maria mothe agwikuruhania namo.
Ndagagikuruhania no ndotare mwagiriru na ate heo favor.
Amen. Karibu sana.
Yes.
Eke orio ciuria ni our producer, super producer niwe wina ithue. Na tumucokeri ngatho tondu tutina mwira happy new year Devi wa nyina wa gatoto. Ni atuhoyagira muno kuria kwa Dr. Sarah K ni umwe wa aria manyitaga baru that ministry.
Yes.
Na he's one of our top tier leader. Na producer niwe tuheaga punching bag. Mundu guku angiguruke ndari ukagurukira Devi. Ndengoruta nguoni ni ne maradi stress ni kwenda orocio ni wa action station icio cia ni kwenda. Na gato support action stations, agato support in everything. Thank you so much Devi. Nasikia kulia. We love you. We love you guys. We don't love your boss.
We are men. Munena we sawa.
Is he not a good boss?
He is.
Na mwaka uyu please twaskip biru. Please nona kama mwaka karega koragwo mundu angirigana tutio ntu go skip. Nona kaundu gaka gakoragwo kundu gatuhinguragire murango gatweterera gatuhera maru na hau. Nokuhoya. Marone njoi mwaka uyu ni maguka maingi maonea. Maguka maingi.
Onana ni ugutuiguira tha.
Hanini.
Ona utana nene hagithĩ ndwarehagĩrwo kũrĩa production. Wakeria ndagĩka.
Aya ukanjogu ka thutha. Uke urio ciuria. Ugacokia to nĩ njũĩ we wĩ mũndũ ũkũnyita na ihenya. Nĩguo tũcambia.
Hĩndĩ ĩyo ndamũkora nacio rĩ, he andũ kĩũria atĩrĩrĩ. The most truthful girl.
The most.
Anga truthful girl. Rĩu mũndũ na ti ngao kwĩyorotete.
Yana kamera Stacy tiga kuhiga. Nĩgetha ũcambio. Ndeciria haha andũ nĩ macambio mũno.
Ngwĩciria hau nĩ tũngĩoria rĩu angĩkorwo mũndũ nĩ arareyorota ha ngari
Era ugal.
The most sober person.
Sober sober macambĩki maratũruma nĩkĩo tũmarotire arĩa macambanagia mũno nĩ acio na kũrumana tarĩu maroria atĩ nũ hikaga kaingĩ atĩ nũ hikaga wikendi nĩ macaibo
Ganó peor tago.
na njogu ndũgatũcambie tũkũigĩra
Na ngwĩciria gĩtĩ kĩu nĩkĩo ngũmũigĩra hau mũikarage tondũ
gĩkĩ andũ matirĩ cuaga nakĩo ta ngoni
one
Gatonya ikarĩra gĩthoma ngathĩti akĩrĩ wega takĩ.
ĩndĩ akaruta iratũ
Agatambũrũkia magũrũ akaigĩrĩra komba.
na nĩkĩ wo kai gũtangiumĩra mũndũ ũgũtũrehera kakeki tũrĩre ta haha tũgũkarĩra haha na mũnene ndakaigue
ndĩ haha
Kĩu Gatonya ngĩikarĩra maru nĩ mekũhumbĩra bĩnda.
Agiumĩra ũũ.
maru magĩkorwo bĩnda igũrũ
kwĩ mũndũ wa njambia haha atĩ Devi nĩwe most eaten
aca Devi anorete nĩ stress citũ
Ena stress nĩ arĩaga.
cio ndarĩ ĩrĩ ya tũthwiti ndarĩ
moving on
yes
now swiftly who is the friendliest according to Jogua Wachira
there are two you can
colleague
point to if it's one you can do one
ona ko nĩ othe no morote mũndũ ũrĩa
Stacy
wendekete mũno
gaka nĩ kamũkora koru mũno kahingũrĩte kamera gakarekondi rĩu gaikarĩte who is the most
mwendeku mũno
mischievous
yes okay most talkative
Gũkũ.
aya meha
stray bullets
Rorio haha.
aya meha
is needed in studio immediately
aya meha hatirĩ talkative
Hutia kahora no aninga gũtua.
who takes the longest to get ready for work who is likely to snitch on colleagues snitcher ndarĩ haha okay most likely to volunteer for charity event most likely to get into scandals
umauga ngai rĩu ndehire ĩno yake
who is the most money conscious colleague
Gĩthũngũ kĩu
conscious mũndũ ũhũthagĩra mbia na ũbacĩrĩri mũno
aia ũkorwo arĩ mũndũ mũkono ngamu.
oye niĩ ti niĩ ndoiga
ngai
most talented colleague
Out of arĩa me haha.
arĩa me haha okay most mature
Ndarĩ haha.
Kĩũria kĩu kiuga gĩa kũnina mũndũ thengiũ Njogu.
most immature
Onake ndarĩ haha.
Arĩa me haha.
no kuhĩrĩirie arĩa me haha
Tareke ithi ngathome nini.
Tigarĩte inya.
aya who eats the most
It's the most.
Nũrĩaga mũno.
oh who has the messiest car hey most creative most creative
Most creative.
okay competitive most competitive oh wow who is most likely to move across the country more than other colleagues
Njũrie ũrĩa wĩ mũico arĩ oho.
arĩ oho
Nĩaroneka mbica-inĩ.
ndiaroneka
aroneka
Nĩũgetherwo handũ.
no thiaga mũno across the country
Across the country.
the one
the world across the world more than other colleagues Okay. Who is childish?
Wana pio.
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 Pio. Guy.
Guy.
Who is a favorite to all? Oh. He. Niĩ ndingĩenda gũkorwo kĩrathi-inĩ kĩa andũ amwe. Nĩ ciathira.
Na kwĩ mũndũ ũraingĩra iria njũru ciothe.
Akuhĩ ciothe.
No Njogu agĩthũkĩtie tondũ andũ othe haha nĩ gũtheka maratheka. Auga atĩa?
Ũndũ ũrĩa arĩ bata tũtherie kĩu kĩa the most mature haha kuoneka handũ.
Mature.
Most mature.
Auga hatirĩ.
Most mature. Na immature. Both of them, they don't exist.
Mature no kuhĩrĩirie.
They are oscillating in between.
Ona nĩ watũthũkĩri challenge. Go away.
Ũgamua mora auga hatirĩ mũndũ machua.
Imagine. Koguo mũtongoria ũgwĩtwo CEO itũ arehete ciana theria andũ awana. No ndĩrĩ njũĩ childish.
Childish nĩ ĩroneka. Ona mũthikĩrĩria na mwĩroreri nĩ aramenya no.
Andũ mathekire ũguo. Kaya twahũrwo atĩa? Ngai Kufai Stacy. Kufai. Mkono gabu kuisha mso. Ngai. Ulizeni mwenye ucheka vizuri niulize kutoka. Who loves the funniest? And the challenge is over.